Did you know that you can now upload your whole level result, I mean your WAEC and NECO or maybe NABTEB, on JAMB CAPS by yourself? Yes, JAMB have actually permitted students to upload their whole level result on their JAMB CAPS. Then follow me, I will show you step by step on how to upload your whole level result on JAMB CAPS. Just follow me. Before we begin, just make sure you have all these requirements with you before you even start. One of the major requirements that you have to have is your NIN. Your NIN. Number 2 requirement is your O level examination number. Number 3, your examination year, your examination series, a working phone number, a valid email address, and a debit card, or maybe bank. You can also make bank transfer. Those are the requirements you actually need. So now let's go to step 1. After you get all these requirements ready, I mean your NIN, your examination number, your exam year, your examination series, a working phone number, a valid email address, a debit card, and a bank transfer for payment, then we can now proceed to step 1. Step 1, that's you first verify your results. And how do you verify your results? You go to this particular website, buyreverificationcode.ng. That's the name of the website that you are going to log into. But you write those buyreverificationcode.ng. All those buy verification code, you write them together. .ng, now put .ng, but everything will be written together. You are not going to put space. Apart from that, everything will be written together. That's buyreverificationcode.ng. So that's where you verify your O-level results. Then step 2, what you now do is that you enter your NIN number. You see a space asking for your NIN. Enter your 11-digit NIN carefully. You enter it carefully. You make sure your everything that you are entering is correct. So then you click on verify NIN. You click on verify NIN. The system now, what is happening here is that the system will be confirming your identity using NIN before moving to the result verification stage. So just make sure that the information you put in is correct. So step 3 is select the number of sitting. You have to select the number of sitting. Maybe you are using, some people are combining 2 results together. Some people are combining maybe 2 WAEC together. Some people are combining both WAEC and NECO. And some people are combining maybe 2 NECO together. Or some people are combining maybe NECO and NABTEB. It does depend on what you are using. So now, if you are using, let's say you are using just one sitting. Maybe let's say for instance, maybe you are using this 2026 WAEC result sitting, then you just choose that you are using just one result, that you choose just one sitting. If you are using more than one exam, maybe WAEC and NECO, or maybe you are using 2 WAEC, then you have to choose like 2 sitting. But you are entitled to choose either 1 or 2 sitting. That means 1 or 2 sitting means maybe you are combining one, maybe either you are using only one result or you are combining 2 results. Now, after you confirm the number of sittings that you are using, now move to step 4. Select your examination body. That you select your examination body. That's what you are when you are talking about examination body, it's just talking about the type of exam you use. Are you using WAEC? Are you using NECO? Are you using NABTEB? Or which type of exam are you using? So just have to choose that one, and then the fifth step is enter your email address and phone number. You must use valid phone number that they can reach you with, maybe probably the number you use to register JAMB and your email that you use. You must use that one. Enter an email and phone number that you can access, one that you know that they can reach you with, because some information will be sent to that number for your verification. So after that one, now step 6 is that you make your payment. You make payments. After you're entering your details, you now click pay now. That means you can pay through maybe your ATM card, that's your debit card, ATM card, or it can be maybe through bank transfer. You can transfer directly to the account that they will provide, but they will display. They might, it depend on which one you choose. If you choose bank transfer, they will display the account you are going to pay to. They will display it for you. So but I will advise you can choose debit card, that's ATM card. That one will be much faster. Then after that one, you now wait until the payment is successfully confirmed before moving to the next stage. So the step 7 here is this: enter your examination detail. That's step after your payment has been confirmed, then you enter your examination details. That is the part many students need to pay close attention. You must pay close attention to this thing, because you must not enter any form of wrong detail. Because if you enter any form of wrong detail, it might speak against you. So when I talk about your examination detail, it talk about your examination number. So some of you guys that are using WAEC, WAEC normally provide card. All these things are on your WAEC card, so you can see, you see it there. You enter your examination number, and then another one, examination series. All these things are in that your JAMB your WAEC card that normally give you. Another one, that examination number one, examination number. You also enter examination series. You see all those things. You see all this information. You may enter it, and the third one is examination year. Which year do you do the exam? So after you enter all these things correct, and then you must make sure that you enter all these things correctly, because any form of mistake we actually result in wrong things. So after that one, after you enter all those information, then JAMB will verify your result. So after entering all these things, then the system sends the detail for verification against the record of relevant examination body. Then maybe after you put all these things together like this now, the system will automatically check based on the number that you provide, and the system will actually check your result. Maybe everything is aligned with what is in the examination body. So the step 9 is check the result display. Know that maybe you have access to your result before you try to upload. Then you have to check every result. Maybe after JAMB verify your result, now they will now display it to you. Maybe you have to check maybe your subjects, your grade. You have to check everything that they will display to you. If it's match with what you have. If it doesn't match, you must not rush and submit. You must not submit. You have to make sure that everything match before you rush to submit anything. And after you make sure that everything actually match with what you have and what is displayed, then you can now submit. Then after you submit, then they will now send you a verification code, and you must keep this code. They will send the verification code maybe on your that number that you provide after when you are ready, when you are verifying, or maybe they can send it to your email. They will send your verification code. The verification code is very important. Write it down or save it somewhere. You must write it down, save it somewhere. You will need it because you will need it for the next stage that you are going to. So what another thing is this now? You now upload this stage 3 is now you now upload your verified results. How do you now upload your verified result? After you have done verifying your result, now what you now do, you now upload your verified result. And how do you upload your verified result? You send an SMS. You know that normally JAMB normally use SMS. Verify. You send an SMS that you verify in capital letter followed by your verification code. The verification code that they send to you now, you send it, maybe you send it, the verification code that you get in the previous state that I said you should keep. Then you now send it to 55019 or 66019. So after you send it to that number, but then you are done with that thing. Then you can now proceed to check. If you can now proceed to check if everything is after they say everything is successful, you can now proceed to your JAMB portal, the JAMB facility portal, to check if everything has been successful. You also go and check to also verify that everything has also successfully been uploaded on your JAMB CAPS. Let's say for instance you are using two sitting. So if you are using two sitting, you follow this step also maybe to complete everything. After you follow all the steps that you have been talking about now, step 12 now, if you are using two sittings, like you log into your JAMB facility. That where you normally log into your JAMB portal now. You log into your JAMB portal. Then after that now, after you log into your JAMB portal on your body now, you now 2026 O level upload. You now choose 2026 O level upload. You click on that 2026 O level upload. Then step 13 that you enter your verification code. Then you now enter your verification code again that you obtain during that verification stage. You enter that verification code. Then your verified result then will be displayed. After you enter, if you do all those things successfully, your verified result will be displayed. After that one, what you now do is that you now select subject you want to choose. Because now you know that you are using 2city now, you now have to select the subject that you want to choose. Know that you can use either 5 or 9 subjects. You must not use more than 5 or 9 subjects, but you must not use below 5 and you must not use above 9. So now select at least 5 subjects or select not more than 9 subjects. Make sure that the subject you select meet the O-level requirement for your choosing course. Like anything that you want to select, you must, like maybe assuming maybe you are using, maybe you want to study something like medicine like this now. Know that what you will select is maybe physics, chemistry, math, English and biology. If you are using 5, and you can also select, if you are using like 9, you can also select maybe or some other subject like maybe economics or something, like all the other stuff that is relevant. But you must not select something that is not relevant to your result, to the course that you want to study. So after you select the subject, the subject that you want to use now, and then another thing you must take note here is that you must not enter one subject 2 times. You can only enter one subject 1 time, so that you know, to avoid any form of error. So apply the O-level result after checking everything carefully. Apply the O-level after checking everything carefully, and then you now see everything will be processed, and then it will now confirm that you have successfully submit your you have successfully upload your O-level results. You would have to do this on time, because if you don't upload your result to your JAMB CAPS, like now, you cannot gain admission. If you like have 300 or 400, even if you have 400 or 400 on your JAMB in your JAMB exam, if you don't upload your result on JAMB CAPS, you will not get admission. So you must treat it as important as possible. So try and upload it. Maybe even if you are using a waiting result, immediately your result come out like this, try and upload it on time. Now, even now that they even simplify everything, now it's even more easier for you. Just do it on time, and don't forget, if this thing help you, try follow and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us, because we'll be dropping update and information about this, everything develop. Thank you.